Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to jump into the April Glossybox for a full unboxing. And I have been on the fence in the past few months, so I'm really at the point where I'm debating, is this a box that I would like to keep unboxing? So let's see if this month is going to put me back on the Glossybox wagon, or maybe put this in the category of something we're gonna move past. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I do upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this month's Glossybox with me, stay tuned. Okay, so first the theme card, Wake Up in Spring, Make Bold Decisions. Hi Glossies, brighter days are on the horizon, which means it's time for the Wake Up in Spring edition. We're all in need of a revival, whether it's about spring cleaning, a new haircut, or a fresh beauty routine. So reawaken your curiosity and discover new brands, ingredients, and colors with this month. So the first item out of the box comes from NCLA, which is a nail polish company. I have used their cuticle oils in the past, which I did really enjoy. I got those in a BoxyCharm. But this is a full size. This retails for $16, and it is We're Off to Never Never Land. What could be more spring than a pretty pastel? This vegan, cruelty-free nail polish is free of harmful ingredients, making it safe and healthy for your nails to look beautiful all month long. After applying a base coat, apply 2 coats of color for a perfect finish, and finish with a top coat. So I wouldn't call that a pastel. I mean, it's a pretty color, but it's definitely a little more murky than a pastel would be. Still very pretty, but not pastel. I would use this as like a late winter or a late fall color, not really something that screams spring to me. The next item out of the box comes from, this is Botanic Beauty. This is also a full-size item. This is a nourishing mascara. Thicken, lengthen, and strengthen your lashes with this volumizing formula. Rich in lash conditioning ingredients, the oversized brush grips and coats each hair, ensuring each lash is separated, defined, and evenly coated. Apply it from root to tip, adding more coats for extra volume, extra lift. Hold and lift the lashes for 5 seconds. Retails for $19.90. Now, right off the bat, just looking at the picture over here, it is clear that this is a large brush. They also say that it is an extra-sized brush, which I do not like. I typically prefer my mascara brushes to be those really, really super small mascara wands, so I can get really close into my lash line without having to worry about, getting mascara everywhere. So I'm going to pass on that as well. Right now, we are 0 for 2. The next item comes from Freeman Beauty. This is also a full-size, the French Pink Clay Peel-Off Mask. Refresh and revitalize your complexion with this pore-clearing mask, ideal for the most skin types. Free of harsh chemicals, French Pink Clay draws out and removes impurities while nourishing your skin for a smooth, glowing finish. Apply to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye areas. When you peel from the outside in. Retails for $4.99. Quick look at the ingredient list. There's neem oil in here, there's willow bark, there's tea tree, there's licorice, so there's a lot of really good ingredients in here for keeping your skin at bay. So this is something I'm actually really excited to try. Next up is a product that I'm very familiar with. I have used it before. This is from Cargo Cosmetics, and it is the Swimmables Eyeshadow Stick. Mine is in the shade Morro Bay. This water-resistant creamy eyeshadow is exactly what we need to as the weather warms up. This high-coverage pigment will last all day through sweat, swim, and tears, so you don't have to worry about smudging, smearing, or reapplying. Once applied, you have 20 seconds of playtime before the product sets. Sweep across the lid for a modern monochromatic look, retailing for $20. Now, I have used this in the past, and I'm a really big fan of this formula. I think they last really well. These are one of the few waterproof that I would say is 100% waterproof. You can swim in these. The color is actually really cute. It's a cute bronzy vibe. So definitely has a little bit of a sheen of purple to it. So this is a color I will definitely be using. However, just like I said earlier, I don't think this is a color that I would say is very spring. I would definitely say that this is a little bit more like late summer into fall. Definitely not spring. But the formula is amazing, so I'm not upset about the product. Next, this is The Good Patch. retailing for $12, containing 15 milligrams of hemp and menthol. Dermatologically tested patch will ensure you're calm throughout the day, relieving feelings of stress and anxiety. It is natural, it's simple, and it's discreet. Stick to the inside of your wrist, leave on as long as desired, up to 12 hours. This is a cool concept for people who are into it. I am absolutely not into it, so I'm going to pass on that really fast. Not into mood-enhancing things or mood-stabilizing things. I don't mind CBD, but like, when it's something that's going to mess with your mood and calm you, that's where I kind of get a little weirded out by it. So that's going to be a pass from me. And the last item in the box comes from, this is the Skin Research Laboratories mini kit. This is a $74 value. Enhance your beauty wherever you go with this tiny yet mighty trio, including mini versions of their bestsellers for lashes, brow, and skin. Enjoy these formulas and never slow down, never stop moving, and never stop beautifying. See product packaging for application instructions. You will have incredibly looking lashes, brows, and skin in no time. So this is a brow serum, this is a lash serum, and it is an exfoliator. So this is going to help with pretty much everything you want to do with your skin, lashes, brows, and exfoliation. So that I'm actually really excited to try out. It's not a brand I'm familiar with. And there is another item in my bag. I didn't see this anywhere on the card, but this is from Kawaii Girl Cosmetics, the New York powders. These are loose pigments or loose glitters. This one is in a really cute pink shade. The packaging is giving me major Pat McGrath vibes. So it is very cute, but I don't really use loose pigment powders, so it wasn't part of the box. So I'm actually going to set this aside, and this will not factor in my decision as to whether or not the box was worth it. But let's jump into those thoughts. So first and foremost, if I was to look at the product I definitely like, it has a retail value greater than the price of the box. So no matter what, I feel like I have to say that it is a worth it box for me. I do tell you guys this in every single unboxing video. As long as the price of the box doesn't exceed the value of the products that came in it that I liked, it becomes worth it for me. I personally am not looking to get every single product perfect for me because that's unreasonable, but it definitely has to have a decent amount of products that work out. So that being said, I will have a discount code down below, not an affiliate, just a discount, where you can get your first box for $16. So $20 for $16 is already worth it. And there are 2 additional products that I'm really excited to give a try to. At the end of every month, I do a favorites and flops video where I talk about the things I tried that I love and don't love. So look forward to that video to see my final thoughts on those 2 products. They are skincare, so I won't be able to know if I love them until I'm using them consistently, day in and day out for 28 to 60 days. And for the mask, even after I remove it, it's really the next 2 days to know if it really did anything. So even if I was to apply it on camera once, there'd be a few days before I would really have a final thought on it. So I'm going to give it the month to test it out, and then at the end of the month in that video, I will give you guys my final updates. But all of that said, I definitely think that this is one of those boxes where it's a nice split of makeup and skincare. It has a little bit of everything, and there are some products in there that I was really excited to try. And then even like the nail polish wasn't a color I would use this time of year, but it's something I will definitely put in rotation for when I get into that early fall, early winter, because I do like these kind of purples. I do gel press-ons on my fingers. I'm actually about to go apply a new set with these cute little clouds on them. But I do like to do regular nail polish on my toes. So I will be using this in the future, just not yet. So final thoughts. I think this was an okay box. Definitely going to continue to unbox them at least for the next few months. And we shall see if it continues to be on the upswing, because I have noticed 2021 has already been better than 2020. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!